Hey guys, hope everybody is doing well and staying safe. Today is the first official Take Control Tuesdays. Very, very excited about this series where I continue to go over financial literacy, and every Tuesday I'll be going over a brand new financial literacy topic. In addition to the videos I will be consistently posting. As you can see, a lot of you have reached out to me and told me that my lighting was shit, and I really appreciate that feedback because here I have my ring light and my stand and I'm ready to go. I'm wearing my Bearded Banker Growth tee. Shout out to Danny on his brand. But today I wanted to talk to you guys about a very, very important topic when it pertains to insurance called the theory of decreasing responsibility. Why is this theory important? This theory is important because this theory will guide you in terms of what kind of life insurance do I need to buy? Why is term important over whole life? Well, the theory of decreasing responsibility basically states the facts of today. If you're in your 30s or your 20s or your 40s, even your 50s, at that point you have some young children, probably some debts and a mortgage and some college things to pay for the kids and things like that. So at this point in your life, in the early years, the reason you need a lot of coverage is because you have big responsibilities at that time. But when you get into your 60s and 70s and 80s, God willing, you don't need insurance at that time. You need money. Because guess what? In the later years, your children are grown, debts are lowered, mortgage is paid. So this is why we suggest that everybody gets a term policy. Why? You only need insurance for a term. You don't need insurance for your whole life. You need it for a small period of time where your responsibilities are higher. I just had a situation that came across my desk that made me very, very angry, upset, and very sad. A gentleman who is a friend of a friend passed away from New York. He passed away. He had life insurance coverage, which he thought would pay if anything happened, but turns out he only had an accidental death policy. This is very alarming and aggravating that this agent sold this person this kind of policy, because this just suggests that you only get paid in an event of an accident, car accident, plane crash, that kind of thing. So he had COVID-19 and passed away. Very sad for him. Rest in peace. Again, when you're purchasing life insurance, don't shop for cheapest premium. I keep saying this because it's important that we understand this concept. Shop for biggest value. Again, what are the clauses? What are the contestability arrangements? What are the terms where this company will not pay my family? You need to know that. And sometimes your agent might not tell you that. That's why you need to call an 800 number, or what we call getting a second opinion from a third party who you trust to really look at your policy. And I tell everybody straight up, listen to me. Full disclosure, you do not need to buy insurance from me. If you have somebody who's close to you, who knows what they're doing and will do the right thing by your family, and you feel confident about that, please, by all means, reach out to them. But if you have any questions about what you have currently, or what you wanted to get, or what you should look for, please DM me, please call me. I will answer any questions. Being licensed in this business for 11 years, you see a lot of crazy things, and I will continue to see crazy things. But again, this topic is very, very important. This should guide you onto what to get for your family, what your family is going to need, and how much coverage you're going to need based off the time period. Now, again, term is the best because you're going to get a lot of coverage for not that much money. Please pay attention to these accidental death policies, these policies that have war or terror clauses, these policies that have contestability clauses. Pay attention to these things because these are the things they might be having a cheaper premium for you, but when it comes down to it, like this gentleman is dealing with right now, when your family needs to get paid, a lot of these insurance companies are trying to get out of it by saying, oh, well, guess what? You bought an accidental death policy, you bought a survivorship life policy, these kind of things. Make sure you purchase strictly term insurance that covers you for a long period of time. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Give me some feedback. I hope this lighting setup is a lot better and you hear me a little bit clearer. Have a great day. Please stay safe, stay well with your family, stay home, and we will talk very, very soon. I am hosting a webinar, which I'm going to put the information on my bio. It's free. You can log into it. It's going to be a Zoom call, just going into some basic financial principles. I'm going to do one a week, then hopefully one multiple times a week as the groups grow bigger. So looking forward to give you some information on that. Again, guys, have an incredible day. Please stay well. Hope all the mothers out there had an incredible Mother's Day. Keep doing what you're doing. Keep raising us to be great men. Without you guys, there is no us. Have a great day.